Hello, my name is Harold Illig. I live here on Baldwin Way in Santa Rosa, California. Well, our old deck was a wreck. It had dry rot, it squeaked, it was unsafe. The crew was super professional. They were efficient, quiet. They got everything done in a timely fashion. The project was completed well within the time frame, and it was done very quickly. It's way better than I expected. It added value to the house. It looks great. You can see it from the street. We're really proud of it. We've been using the new deck space as kind of a retreat for my wife when she's had enough work. Her office is right over here, and when she's had her fill, she comes out here with a cup of coffee to relax. What surprised us was how attractive the wires look after they were installed. This was an idea that my wife had, but when it was completed, it was like, looked like a hotel. It just looked great. There's nothing I could tell you to improve the process. It went flawlessly. We would highly recommend System Pavers to our friends and family.